This video shows a box-to-window installation incorporating a complete air and moisture management system. Install a sloped sill or a dam and seal the four edges of the rough window opening with strips of Owens Corning Canada's flash sealer tape. Protect bottom sill using flash sealer flashing tape with minimum overlaps. Install box-to-window into the rough opening. Tape the two vertical edges of the window to the foam using flash sealer tape. Then tape the top horizontal edge of the window to the foam using flash sealer tape. Do not tape the bottom horizontal edge of the window in order to maintain the drainage gap. Install metal head flashing with end dams above window and seal to the foamular using flash sealer tape. Seal the gap between the window and the rough opening on the interior side of the window using an air sealing material for air barrier continuity.